Hi, my name is Akshay Patel. Today I'm going to discuss the agentic workflow I've created for this Capstone project. It's a sales pipeline system looking to reduce revenue leakage in business-to-business sales. Essentially, it's a system that sifts through data to trigger intelligent follow-ups. It's designed to eliminate revenue leakage by ensuring no CRM event slips past the team or goes stale from neglect. That's essentially the goal of this project, a system that treats every CRM event as a trigger for real reasoning so sales op doesn't forget about their leads and let them go stale. So the architectural structure I chose for this consists of three primary agents: a risk agent that outputs a risk assessment judging how necessary an outreach option is for a particular deal, an action agent that plans the next steps, and a coordinator agent that merges both of the outputs from these and evaluates them against the whole pipeline's context. It queries the workflow's memory as well, check for any red flags. For example, if a deal is too high of a jump from the previous deal, how recently the system has got in touch with the company. The coordinator is going to catch all that and put it in the evaluation for the human developer to review. Now, essentially, the advantage of having a workflow over just basic single prompt model is, first of all, explicit routing logic allows us to isolate failures and tune specific nodes. Debugging a granular graph like this is possible in a way that troubleshooting a black box prompt just isn't. Secondly, it allows global oversight. Coordinator agent cross-references individual events with long-term memory to identify patterns. Like, for instance, if you have a fifth stall in a company in a single week, stateful coordinating agents are going to pick that up, and they're perfect for this type of grunt work. Let's move on to the architecture of the pipeline. So here we can see the full graph. It's obviously built on Google's agent development kit. It's the whole point of this Capstone project. Essentially how it works is CRM event will come in through Fast API, and this project simulates pub sub pushes. So the agents are obviously subscribed to this particular event. It's the only one in the project, so all the data gets parsed and validated first before it reaches any model. Then it flows through the three agents: the risk analyst, action agent, and then the coordinator. Each one produces strict structured output, so you don't have to worry about the next agent not being able to read the output from the previous one. Coordinator then checks persistent memory system, deal level and pipeline wide, produces its final output for review. Now, security wise, because each of these events have free text notes, they are perfect targets for bad actors to try and hijack. So all inputs are passed through a custom security plugin that screams for prompt injection first before the agent sees them. Once that's all done, routing node makes a call. Low risk, small discount, gets auto approved, and then move on. Anything higher, which bear in mind is a low threshold anyway, goes to human approval first. The routing decision is entirely adjustable and inspectable, so developer can make that decision on their own. They can even remove it if they want to. There's also blue team and green team security pair. Blue team monitors, stores logs, traces, and metrics for each agent. Green team gets notified by blue team if it notices any suspicious behavior, such as looping or unauthorized lateral movement. If it does, it isolates and preserves the context for auditing. It will then analyze the error report and auto-refactor the isolated agent, so the system is fully self-maintaining in those instances as well. So let's have a look at how it runs. There's a dashboard created as well to give you a high-level overview, but first let's look at the Google ADK built-in playground. We are just going to simulate a CRM payload event. Just going to send it through now. I'm going to do a manual one quickly, and we can see it route through the different agents here. Email tool is triggering as well. Action agent produces the final report. And finally, the intelligence report gets displayed here. Dashboard shows active sales deals. So this particular one is escalated. It comes with its own risk score as well to say how urgently action is required. We can see the overview and recommendation here as well. Actions history just lists out everything that's been done. And there's a full workflow audit log as well. So everything is transparent. Everything is observable and logged. Into a health report essentially. So yeah, thank you for watching. This was my project for the Google Kaggle Capstone project, and thanks for watching.